What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. Manong with Graham na nasa office. Ibang klase ka talaga. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito na gan-
Rem
iba
Sharp.
talaga pagmamahal mo sa podcast na to, bro. Like, ibang
Oo
klase
naman.
ka. Even si Manong salute
I'll give
sa'yo.
you your flowers, bro.
He, he just see the amount of money that Nico's transferring to me every episode. Then
Yan,
you'll
yan,
do
yan.
you go the
So,
lengths of the
bro,
world.
this is your rose. Gawa pa to ng fiancé ko dahil sa love mo sa podcast na to.
uh, Money can't buy
Welcome back
that.
by the way sa Philippines, Manong. Welcome back.
Thank
Nice
you,
to
thank
have you
you, bro.
here. Nasaan ka? Nasa bahay mo or sa
Bahay lang to,
fiancé?
bahay lang. Chilling
Chill lang,
lang.
chill lang. Ito ito pag-usapan. First topic natin guys is we all know about the coach team news na lumabas sa spin. It's about coach team not
Two games,
wanting to
right?
coach Gilas for the SEA Games. And since he doesn't want to coach for the SEA Games, magi-guess tayo ng mga possible coaches na pwede
Ayan.
i-consider ng Gilas. So, Manong, we can
Nabangan ko
start
yung
with
take ni Grim dito.
no.
Nabangan ko yung take ni Grim dito. Who's who? Who's in? Who's out?
So,
Una ka ba,
magbibigay tayo ng
Manong?
bigay tayong dalawang coaches natin.
Each? Sige, sige.
Oo, two each lang. Kasi ano naman hindi naman natin papatagalin to masyado.
Teka.
We'll just go straight to the point na coach team is not gonna coach. Alam natin yan. There's gonna be a replacement. Actually, meron na daw silang replacements in mind. So, our
Okay.
job is to
Oh,
guess. Sabi din sa
Mm.
article, may mga replacements na daw sila in mind.
Okay, okay.
So, Manong, sinong first name na gusto mo iba to na possible coach?
Ah, sa akin, siguro, I would start siguro with Coach Topex.
Coach Topex.
mm.
Collegiate coaches Okay, why
Yes.
Coach Topex?
Stopix.
Well, of course, sa tournament na ganun, I would assume na hindi masyado mahaba yung preparation nila
Mm.
because papasok pa ata yung PBA conference, hindi ata titigil yung PBA doon
Hindi nga daw titigil.
dahil meron ngang hindi naman siya FIBA sanction tournament.
Yeah.
Tapos I feel like with Coach Topex, no, we all know what type of a coach he is. Very strategic, tactical, and things like that. And I feel like in tournaments such as the SEA Games, it's a nice gauge for him to also coach, in the international level as being the guy. I see him one of the future head coaches, maybe in the PBA again or somewhere, or maybe overseas. But that's how I see Coach Topex. So I have great respect for him. That's why probably he's the first name that I'll throw out there.
Graham.
Um, this is kind of selfish to me, ah. But I would say bring back Coach Chot Reyes.
Coach
And
Chot! Okay.
and the reason for that is check na si Coach Tim eh. Baka baka way yun para mag-champion yung Ginebra. Kasi di ba pag sila na naman yung nag-lead sa
Loko talaga
finals,
to.
then wala si Coach Chot Reyes. But seriously, I think siya yung fit sa job eh. Kasi siya yung nag-in and out na as Gilas head coach. And I know that's not the popular opinion and people hate that fact na baka si Coach Chot na naman. But this is just the SEA Games na this is not a FIBA sanctioned tournament na FIBA Asia Cup or FIBA Asia Championship. This is something that Coach Chot Reyes can win. Siya pa yung coach ng Gilas nung nag-champion sila sa SEA Games last time or was it Coach Tim already?
Sino ba Manong?
I
Coach
Nandito
think
si
Chot.
it's
Manong.
still
Coach.
Coach Chot.
Coach
No,
Chot
that
pa
It's
was
still
yun.
Coach.
Coach Chot, 'di ba? And to think na yung was the host was Cambodia or
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Laos. Yeah,
Cambodia,
Cambodia
Cambodia.
was the team na puro import, 'di ba?
Puro naturalized.
Naturalized
Puro naturalized.
na now they're not gonna allow that anymore, I think.
FIBA rules daw
If
sila. So, one
Yeah.
oo,
naturalized import lang.
yes. So if Coach Chot was able to beat a Cambodian team na puro naturalized, then what's gonna stop him from beating any other team in Southeast Asia na patas, di ba? Na sige, may naturalized ka isa lang. So I think Coach Chot is the best guy for the job here. He may not get it, people the SBP may listen to the voice of the people, but I want Coach Shot to get another crack at it, and it's gonna be fair.
Sa akin naman si Coach Josh Reyes. Kasi si Coach Josh, meron na rin yan eh. May international credentials, 'di ba? With the FIBA Youth, nadala niya sa World Cup with the limited resources, 'di ba Manong, yung parang quote unquote issue or yung parang problems natin ngayon sa under 16, under 19 is that yeah, may mga star players like Kiefer Alas, but then the rest alam mong may maipipiga pa sana. We could have gotten more kids na more suited for the rosters ng FIBA Under 16, Under 19. Pero Coach Josh is able to make the most out of the guys that he's been given. So for me, that's a candidate na pwede nila ibato na okay, SEA Games, bibigyan mo naman siya ng pyesa. Who knows, 'di ba? Baka ma-maximize niya.
True, true.
We
Ikaw Manong
just
second
threw we just threw the two of the most
mag-ama,
unpopular
mag-ama.
options to the Wolves actually.
Oh,
But they're qualified. They're
they're
qualified. If
qualified. Yeah, may
you set
credentials naman.
your feelings aside, they are qualified to get this coaching job. To be quite honest with you,
Kiefer Rabena na lang kaya pa-coach natin. Gusto naman niya mag-coach eh.
Ah,
Pasimula mo
gusto
na.
gusto ko pa maglaro. Gusto ko
Gusto
pa
mo
maglaro.
pinag-coach na.
Hindi sa SEA
di
Games
ba,
yung gusto ko pa mag-basketball.
Kung kinonsider ka for SEA Games, Mano. Wait, Japan season ba yun? Ah, ayaw na. Tinatry ko pa i-insert eh. Para, what about? What about? Pero may, ano ba? May, ano tawag dito? B-League. December.
Meron. Yeah,
Ah,
December
wala.
yun.
Hindi talaga. Hindi talaga
Meron.
pwede. Sa Yokohama ka pa naglalaro.
Oo.
Manong,
Second
you're
name.
second.
Second
Second and
name.
last.
Second and last. Probably, I feel like this guy has been off the coaching radar for quite some time now.
Yes.
But he's been doing a lot of work behind the scenes, especially
Yes.
for our grassroots program. And he was my coach during my first ever SEA Games. So I feel like it's good to bring Coach Norman back.
Ooh. That's out of left field si Coach Norman. I think people will
I
remember
feel
him.
like, so ako lang like, just
Yeah,
thinking
yeah,
about
go.
it. Kasi like what I said, I'm sure, di ba? Parang hindi nyo man naisip yun na,
No,
no, si
never.
Coach Norman,
I wouldn't.
ang tagal nang hindi nagko-coach, di ba? Mainstream, UAAP, NCAA, PBA, parang assistant coach na lang siya sa San Beda or consultant sa San
Consultant
Beda.
sa San Beda nga eh. Consultant. He's not coaching
Tapos,
there.
what do you call this? Tumutulong siya sa SBP when it comes to their
Mm.
grassroots, 'di ba? Going around the Philippines and finding the best talents. So ako yun siguro. And of course, his resume doesn't have to can always speak for itself. It's understood, what's understood doesn't have to be said.
Tama. Wow, actually, if you have Coach Norman Black, I wonder what players he's going to get now. Who are
Yeah,
the players he's going to get? That's after the UAP and NCAA season. So
that's
most
true.
likely we're playing around with collegiate guys here, no? And I know na, siguro Manong, no, we're not gonna see PBA players here. Assume,
I feel like we're gonna still see
here and there, sprinkle lang
te- teams who probably got eliminated earlier or will get eliminated
to
you know
December.
mga ganon.
so basically walang SMC teams
Walang
Wala.
na
SMC, walang
players,
TNT,
walang
Meralco,
TNT,
maybe.
Maybe some
Oo.
rain or shine, guys. Pahiram sa
Rain
Seagull.
or shine,
Hindi natin
guys,
alam.
but they're a good team.
up and coming naman yan, with the confidence of Nokum,
Actually, I
Santillan,
wanna see an Noku,
di
man.
ba?
Like, yung
Parang
Gilas.
it's their chance to represent the country in an international competition. So, yun naman.
Will Navarro, bago
Will Nava
pitasin.
Actually,
oh,
will.
Will, Arvin, yung mga ganyang bagay, yung mga sakto naman sa
Ah,
kanila yan, di ba? Yung maybe, I don't know if Munzon will be counted as a naturalized or whatever. Pero yun, pero si Will definitely can have a crack. Nokum, Santillan, if those teams get eliminated. If
Early.
only.
December eh.
and
Yep.
I think we can say that pending a trade doon sa players ng Northport, ng
Yeah.
Blackwater,
Yeah.
ng
Pending a
Yeah.
sale na din kung
Irma.
mabenta yung franchise.
Oo,
Hindi
di
natin
ba?
alam eh.
Then yes, we can consider them. But Coach Norman is a kind of forgotten man.
Di ba?
in
Diba? I mean,
in
totoo.
basketball.
Diba?
We last know
Definitely
him
a
as the
dark horse
coach who
consideration.
we last know him as the coach who cannot beat Ginebra.
Diba?
So but he is a
Bibili sa'yo.
good ano. No, no, I'm just honest. The first time they beat Ginebra it was Coach Luigi Trillo, which
Yeah.
who I believe is the next best guy for the job. Si Coach Luigi,
That's
Okay.
your second
if
guy.
time
Luigi
permits,
Trillo ka.
Luigi
Okay.
Trillo is a very intelligent man. He's a good X's and O guy. I really I'm not really afraid of Coach Luigi whenever my team is up against this. Kasi he knows how to use your weaknesses to his advantage.
Mm.
He, he's he's a champion coach. Whatever you want to say kung whoever's controlling the team, he is the head coach of the Meralco Bulls. I believe that he has the capabilities of handling guys, especially nga kung wala yung mga veterano, yung mga bata na mas makikinig sa kanya. So I believe Coach Luigi is, if hindi man siya maging head coach, a good part of the coaching staff ng Gilas Pilipinas. I'm a big fan of Coach Luigi. And it's gonna be interesting if siya nga yung piliin. Magbe-beg off ba siya saglit sa Meralco, di ba? Something like that.
Yeah.
Diyan naman si Coach Nenad, di ba? Si Coach Nenad ang muna sa Meralco
Oh,
kung si Coach Luigi
pillin
una
ka
eh.
muna saglit. Pillin ka muna saglit, Coach Leonard.
Eto, for me last is si L.A. Tenorio. Kasi alam naman natin kay Coach L.A. na he's already there, di ba? Coach L.A. is already tasked with the Gilas youth. Might as well add more experience to his credentials.
True.
And with the seniors, alam naman niya how Coach Tim works. He's under Coach Tim. Pwede naman siguro i-pull out mo na si LA dun sa mga sa Hinebra bench and he could definitely help out.
Hold on. Excuse
Oh,
me.
oh, oh, oh.
Free agent L.A. Tenorio.
Ay, oo,
Okay.
free agent.
Unrestricted free agent L.A. Tenorio.
Free
So,
agent nga pala
wala
si
talaga
LA.
siyang, technically, wala talaga siyang ginagawa. Now, we don't know if that's gonna last until December, but, um, you know, that's a good option.
Definitely. Oo nga pala. It's a good option nga pala. Anyway, kayo guys, what do you guys think about who is the mga rimarong nakita ko eh. Who is the best coach that you have in mind? Comment nyo down below and sige, gawa na rin kayo ng Gilas lineup. Manong pag SEA Games, ilan kayo? 12?
12 pa rin. Yeah. 12 pa
12.
rin.
Okay.
Yep.
Who is your 12-man lineup for the SEA Games, guys? Medyo wild card to kasi for sure we're not gonna see the Hinebra guys. We're not gonna see the usuals. Kai Soto wala because of the injuries. The B League guys won't be there as well because of the season. So ayun, I think at least for this topic, let
Yeah.
us know.